The best marketing plan I ever wrote was just 3 bullet points. Hey, I'm Stephen. I help small businesses and solo marketers cut through the noise and build strategies that actually work. Now, if you're tired of overthinking your marketing, you're in the right place. Most marketing strategies fail for one reason: complexity. People drown in plans and platforms and get nowhere. So today I'm breaking down a simple, proven way to build your marketing strategy for this year and beyond, using timeless frameworks you've probably heard of, plus some smarter tools like AI-powered personalization. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable strategy you can actually follow. No jargon, no overwhelm. Let's get into it. Why simplicity wins. Here's something most people forget. Simple marketing plans outperform complicated ones every single time. I've worked with businesses across financial services, fitness, education and events, and the moment we simplified the strategy, things started to move. And why? Because complexity creates hesitation. You're never quite sure what to post. You second guess yourself, you burn out, or even worse, you do nothing. Even timeless models like the 7 P's of marketing still work today, and not because they're cutting edge, but because they bring structure. And if you're like most small business owners I meet, your problem isn't a lack of ideas, it's that you've got too many and no filter to prioritize. Simplicity brings momentum, and momentum beats perfection every time. The 3-step simple marketing plan. So let's build your strategy right now in just 3 steps. Now, step 1 is know your core offer. Now, this sounds obvious, but most people skip it. And if I asked you right now, what's your primary offer and why should someone care? Would you have a clean answer? Or would you give me the menu? Here's the trick. Clarity beats cleverness. One offer, one solution, and one problem that it solves. And if you're stuck, go back to the first P of the 7 P's of marketing, which is product. What's the thing you're really selling, and to who? Step 2, pick 2 channels. The biggest trap is trying to be everywhere. You don't need Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, podcasts, blogs, and email. You need 2 channels you can be great on. Let's imagine a small Pilates studio trying to be on 5 platforms. Let's say Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and email. Truth is, they're stretched, their messaging is scattered, and nothing really lands. Now imagine they focused on just 2, say Instagram and email. Same energy, but now with clarity and consistency. And that's where results actually start to show. So ask yourself, where is your audience paying attention? Make sure you show up there consistently. And this is where AI support can help you. Let's say you're sending emails. AI can personalize them, write subject lines, and segment audiences. But it only works if you choose the right channel. Step 3, commit for 90 days. Strategies work over time, not overnight. Whatever you choose, commit to it for 90 days. Track one meaningful metric per channel. That could be opens, views, clicks, whatever matters to you, and give it space to work. Now, most marketing fails not because it was a bad idea, but because it got abandoned too early. Consistency is the only tactic that never goes out of style. Where AI fits in. Let's talk about it for a second, because it's everywhere. And here's what I tell clients. AI is amazing, but it is not a strategy. It helps you amplify your message, not create one from scratch. Use AI tools to repurpose content, test headlines, improve workflows, but don't let them replace the core strategy. Marketing still sits with humans. AI just helps it move faster. Okay, so let's recap. This is your 3-step plan. 1, your core offer. Number 2, pick 2 channels. And 3, have a 90-day focus. Remember, you don't need a 20-page document, but you do need clarity and consistency. And if you do want to go deeper into frameworks like the 7 Ps, I've got a full video linked at the end of this one. And if this has helped simplify your thinking, do hit subscribe, because I've got more no fluff strategy videos coming your way very soon. And let me know in the comments, which step do you need to focus on most next? And until next time, take care and happy marketing.